Thank you for choosing ActiveYards Full Vinyl Privacy Gate. This gate system was designed to be easy to assemble and features the same quality and durability you've come to expect from our gates and fences. Today, we will be building a 4-foot wide by 6-foot tall vinyl privacy gate. Each vinyl gate kit includes all of the hardware you'll need to assemble the gate quickly. Gather the tools you'll need to complete the job: a carpenter's square, mallet, tape measure, a flathead screwdriver, a drill, and safety glasses. We suggest using a number 3 Phillips head bit for driving the supplied number 15 6-inch self-tapping screws. To make the assembly easier, we recommend setting up a work area with a soft, clean surface and boards affixed to your work table at a right angle. The vinyl components are wrapped in cardboard to protect the surfaces. Be careful not to scratch the vinyl as you open the package. The gate assembly kit includes a box of Borbell heavy-duty gate hinges for hanging the gate. You can set this aside until you are ready to hang the gate. The kit also includes 6 tongue and groove boards, a top and a bottom rail, and 2 gate uprights, which feature a specially reinforced integrated pocket design. There are also 2 U-channel spacers. You can pre-assemble these by inserting one on the groove side of the board and one on the tongue side of the board. The small parts are wrapped separately. This packet contains a tube of quick-dry PVC vinyl fence cement, 8 number 15 6-inch self-tapping screws, and 2 gate upright caps. Okay, let's begin. Lay out the gate uprights and rails. Apply the fence cement inside the top and bottom pockets of the first gate upright. Insert the top rail into the pocket. If needed, use the flathead screwdriver to guide the rail into position. Then use the mallet to gently tap it into place. Repeat these steps for the bottom rail. The fence cement dries quickly, so be sure to check the angles before moving on to the next step. Once the fence cement has set up, start inserting the boards. Insert one of the boards with a U-channel in position and slide it into place. Then slide in the other boards. The boards have a tongue and groove design, so you'll need to check to make sure you are correctly joining the boards as you slide them into place. Finally, make sure the U-channel spacer is attached to the gate upright side of the last board before sliding it in. Apply the fence cement inside the pockets of the remaining upright and insert the top and bottom rails. Use a mallet to gently tap it into place and check the angles. Secure the gate uprights with the self-tapping screws. Use the centerline mark to help with the screw placement. These screws are being driven through the reinforced pocket to ensure strength and stability. Be sure the screws remain straight. Finally, apply fence cement inside the gate upright caps and install on the top of each upright. Learn more by visiting us at www.activeyards.com.